What's happening to Uyghurs in the Xinjiang region of China is no less than a Holocaust, and it is proving to be one of the worst human rights violations the mankind has ever witnessed. The Uyghurs are Turkic-speaking Muslims from the Xinjiang region of China. The People's Republic of China annexed Xinjiang in 1949. At this time, it was estimated the Uyghurs numbered around 76% of the region's population. Han Chinese accounted for just 6.2%. Since 1949, Han migration to this region has diluted the ethnic ratio. Official statistics show that the population is now made up of 42% Uyghurs and 40% Han Chinese. Beijing has long considered Xinjiang and the Muslim minorities such as Uyghurs to be backward and to be obstacles for progress. The Chinese government has blamed Uyghurs for many terrorist attacks, for example, attacks at local government offices, train stations, and open-air market. But the problem is they do not provide any sufficient adequate proof with it. The Beijing has long considered Uyghurs ethnic group as a threat to the region and as terrorists. This has allowed Beijing to justify its transformation of Xinjiang into a surveillance state. The government has installed sophisticated surveillance technology across the region, and there has been a surge in police numbers. Muslim minorities are being arrested and imprisoned in these camps, which are Chinese called as vocational camps. The Chinese government has reportedly detained more than a million Muslims in these re-educational camps. The Chinese authorities have refused to share information about these detention centers and have prevented journalists and foreign investigators from examining them. Many detainees who have since fled China describe the harsh conditions within these camps. Detainees are forced to renounce their religion, they are forced to renounce Islam. They have to sing praises for Communist Party before getting their food. Cameras and microphones are monitoring their every move and utterance. They are tortured and subjected to slave deprivation. Detainees are forced to eat pork and drink alcohol. Many women have shared stories of sexual abuse. Women are forced to marry and sleep with Chinese men. Pregnant women are forced to undergo abortions. Some detainees have contemplated suicide, and many have witnessed others kill themselves to save themselves from these horrors. Most people in these camps have never been charged with any crime. They have never been caught doing immoral or illegal activities. Their only crime is practicing their religion. Their only crime is being a Muslim.